Hey guys, welcome back once again to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a challenge that I've been wanting to do for such a long time, and now I just sat here and I was like, I want to film a video today. Why not do this challenge, the reverse makeup challenge? So that's what I'm going to do today. I'm sorry if you hear like the fan that I have on or the cars that are passing by. Like, I'm in my living room and it's like a little bit noisy, so I really hope that that doesn't bother you. So yeah, I'm really gonna try really hard to make this look as best as possible. I'm so excited to see how the final outcome turns out to be, so I really hope that you all enjoy it. Please make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel down below, and without further ado, let's just get into this reverse makeup challenge. So basically this challenge is to do your makeup in reverse. Like, if you do your eyeshadow first, then you apply the eyeshadow last. If you do primer first, obviously, then in this challenge the last thing we're gonna apply is the primer, and basically that. So I'm pretty sure you all heard about this challenge before, so you know the drill. Let's just get started. So the first thing that I'm going to apply to my face is the setting spray. And I already have my eyebrows done because I don't want to look like a crazy person throughout this whole video. So, you know, the eyebrows never hurt anyone, so at least I'm gonna look a little bit more decent. So yeah, for setting spray, I'm going to be using the NYX Dewy Finish setting spray. Guys, please keep my skin in your thoughts because this is not gonna be good for my skin. Oh my god. Okay guys, so now that I have applied my finishing spray, the next thing that I'm going to do is apply lipstick. Lipstick on a bare face. Who am I? Oh my god, I'm gonna look so freaking horrible. So for my lipstick, I'm going to be using my Kylie Cosmetics Ginger Lipstick. It's one of my favorite matte lipstick shades in the world. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this. Oh my god, do you imagine if makeup actually was like this? No, thanks. So the next thing I'm going to apply is highlighter. This is the Wet n Wild Precious Petals highlighter, and I'm going to be applying it with my Anastasia Beverly Hills 23 brush. So let's apply some highlight. Wow. I'm going to be applying it on my nose, on my mouth. Wow. A little bit on my forehead. Wow, this makes me look so much greasier. Okay guys, there's that. So the next thing that I'm going to be applying is blush, and I'm going to be using my Milani Luminoso blush with my Morphe E4 brush. So let's apply some blush. I am dying over here, guys. What the? Who invented this challenge? Oh my god. So the next horrible life decision that I'm going to do now is apply some contour, guys. And I'm going to be using my Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. here it is. I'm gonna be using this first color right here. So now I'm just going to contour without any foundation on. Okay guys, so now, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna set my face. I'm gonna set my face with some Laura Mercier powder. And I usually do a little bit of baking. So I also need to bake right now. What was I thinking? What was I thinking when I thought I was actually gonna pull this off? No, this is gonna be a complete freaking mess. So now, just going to be applying some here and baking my under eyes. And then I usually apply some all over my face, especially my nose, because for the foundation to not move. But who am I kidding? I'm not wearing any foundation. Like, I'm just a complete mess right now. So I'm not even gonna wait, guys. I'm just going to dust this off because I can't deal with this. Wow. Oh no. I just realized what comes next. Guys, the concealer. Now I'm going to be applying concealer on this face. I look so freaking white. Look, this is my face with concealer, and this is like the color of my body. No, I use this concealer to highlight, that is why. So now I'm gonna be applying the foundation for this mess to correct itself, because this is a total mess. Oh my god. Okay, so now I'm going to be applying the foundation. And this is a Smashbox Studio Skin foundation, and I'm just going to be applying this on my face. I'm going to put a little bit here and putting some dots all over my face and cover all this mess up, guys. Guys, I look so crazy. I'm just trying to blend this as much as I can in order for it to look good, but I don't know why I look like this. Look at my skin, guys. I look like a total mess. After my foundation, oh no, guys, I just applied my foundation. Do you know what that means? Do you know what's coming next? If I thought, and if you thought this was the most horrible step, guys, it's not. You know why? Because I still need to apply a primer, and this is not a spray primer, this is a gel primer. Oh my god, I'm gonna stop recording this video. You know, I'm not gonna keep doing this. Just kidding, I'm doing it for you guys because I know you're liking my misery right now. Okay, so I'm gonna apply this primer all over my face. Let's do this. Let's apply some primer. Oh, guys, my makeup is separating. Guys, my makeup is literally separating on my skin. This is my worst nightmare, guys. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Holy guacamole, guys. Oh my god. What have I done? Guys, I'm gonna give you a close-up right now. I'm cleaning my hands because this is a mess. I can't. Ew. Feels so disgusting. Guys, my makeup literally separated. Like, my foundation separated. Look. Look at this whole circle here of foundation that has separated. Like, this is my skin, and look at the foundation separating. Oh my god. Guys, look. Look. It looks like I don't have makeup here, and I applied makeup here, but because of the primer, it freaking separated. Look at my forehead. Oh, no way. I mean, what did I expect though? Nope. Nope, 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 nope. I can't deal with this. Why do you guys make me do this? Guys, help. Send help, please. Send help. Send help. Okay, so now that my face is done, I'm gonna be doing some eyeshadow. And I thought about doing something quick, you know, but then I thought, you know, like, this is all going downhill. Why not just make it go downhill even more? So, you know, just go with the flow. Life's not perfect, so I'm going to try to do a makeup look that I haven't done before. I think I'm gonna go with some green eyes. Yep, you heard right. Green eyes, and I'm gonna be using my BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette. But before I apply some color of the Brazil palette, I'm going to be applying a transition shade, because I don't think that palette has a transition shade. So I'm just going to be using my Jack and Hill palette, some of the brown color. I'm just going to be applying it on my crease. I'm gonna try for this eye look to look good. Okay guys, so now I'm just going to be applying some green shades from the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. You know, let's just see how this goes. You know, I'm going to be applying this pretty color here. Okay guys, so I already cut my crease, as you can see. And I honestly do not know what I'm gonna do now, so let's just open the palette and see what other colors are there. I like this yellow color right here. This one is so pretty, so maybe I'm gonna use that. You know what, I'm gonna use that. Okay guys, so as you can see, I applied some winged eyeliner and I also applied some false lashes. Honestly, I thought it was going to turn out worse. It's not that bad. I did something different. I applied some green eyeshadows and jello eyeshadows and glitter eyeshadows to my eyes, and I really haven't done that ever before. And then the face was just a whole other level. Like, it's horrible. Like, it doesn't look horrible from this distance. Okay guys, well, this is the final look. I really hope that you all enjoyed this video as much as I loved creating it. I am so happy with you guys that watch my videos. I want to thank you guys so much for doing so and for supporting me on this YouTuber journey. I really hope that you all liked this video. Please make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel down below, and make sure that you follow me on Instagram in order for us to be a little bit more, you know, together, because I always ask polls over there. I always put stories every day. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.